I made it! I'm actually on the moon! You know, it was quite the journey. The moon might look like it's right out our window, but it's actually 238,900 miles away from us. That's about the span of 30 planet Earths. Luckily, I had my handy-dandy spaceship. It goes a whopping 10 miles per hour. It only took me 2 years to get here. Pretty impressive, I know.
Hi, Dr. Chaos.
Ruby? How'd...
NASA was offering free rocket ship rides. I got here in like an hour. Whoa! Why am I bouncing so much?
There's less gravity in space. Gravity's what keeps us on the ground.
Wow! It's like a giant trampoline. Who knew a glowing rock in the sky could be so much fun?
You know, the moon doesn't actually glow.
Then why is it so bright? Does it have batteries inside? I don't see a power switch anywhere.
Not quite. What we call moonlight on Earth is actually light from the sun, reflecting off the moon and into our eyes on Earth.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I just figured someone left a light on up here. It's so cold on the moon. Aren't you cold too?
Depending on where the sun is, the moon can get up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit or as low as negative 243 degrees Fahrenheit.
What? That's cold enough to make ice cream. Yum. I'll go get the ingredients. I'm thinking cookie dough. Chocolate, maybe? Oh, I know. Blue moon. Be right back.
Wait, can I have a cone? I like pistachio. Or maybe some hot chocolate. Ruby? Ruby!